Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for virtual commissions. Now, this is a little bit different to what I normally promote. Normally when I do one of these reviews, I'll jump inside the software, show you how this works, tell you how good I think it is and everything else. This is a little bit different because this is live training. So it's not really possible to show you the live training, obviously, because it's live. So once you purchase, you'll get access to the 5-day live training. Obviously there's recordings and everything else, but obviously I can't show you that because it is live training. So what I'm going to do on this video, I'm going to tell you about my bonuses. I'm going to tell you why you need my bonuses for virtual commissions, have a little look at the sales page, show you what it's all about, and then the only way I can kind of review this is to tell you about the people behind it. Now first, Neil Napier. Neil, I know many years. He puts out some amazing products. He's one of my go-to vendors when I promote products because I know his products are good, and his results speak for themselves. Now the other person behind this is Chris Munch. Chris I've known as well for many years. Many years since he actually launched on JVZoo. So normally the type of training Chris does, it would cost thousands of dollars to get access to his training courses. So for the price of $37, this is a no-brainer. Chris and Neil together will deliver some amazing training for you. So definitely well worth locking in. As I said, the review I can give is for the people behind this, and I can't, speak more highly about those two guys. So for $37, well worth locking in. Now let me show you my bonuses. Let me jump down here. Now with virtual commissions, what I've done is I've tailored the bonuses so that when you get virtual commissions and you take an action with this training, these bonuses will help you jump ahead of your competition. Okay? So the first one is LeadPro. Now LeadPro, what that does, it helps you reach out via cold email to prospective users. It writes the email, does everything you need. It also doesn't just write the email, but it will do you a Facebook message, an Instagram message, an X message, and a WhatsApp message as well. All tailored to the business that you're kind of trying to sell, okay, which will be part of virtual commissions. So with that, I'm giving you 250,000 credits. Now, also with this version of LeadPro, I'm also going to give you white label. So with the virtual commissions training, you need kind of offers that you can give to your clients or sell to your clients as upsells, things like that. LeadPro would be perfect. So I'm going to give you white label to that as well, but you must be in the first 30 buyers of the front end. Now, before I carry on, just let me point out one thing. With this bonus, everything you see is for the front end. There's no upsell bonuses, there's no bundle bonuses, no fast pass or anything like that. Everything that I'm showing you here is available on the front end. Okay, so all you need to do, purchase the front end. If you want white label, make sure you're in your first 30 and you're good to go. Okay, so with that you get the source code, you get a sales page, marketing packs, graphic packs and everything else. Okay, next one is high ticket client finder. Now again, this comes with 250,000 credits to use. Now what this does, it helps you narrow down your search for high ticket clients. Okay, you put in what you're looking for and it'll tell you exactly what you need to do and where to look for these for high ticket clients. So it's the full high ticket client finder toolkit. It's definitely well worth locking in. And again, with that, as I said, you've got 250,000 credits. But on top of that, I'm also giving you white label as well. So again, with the white label, you must be in the first 30 buyers. You get the source code, sales page, marketing packs, and graphic packs. Next is the outreach script creator. Again, I'm giving you 250,000 credits with that. So with that, it helps you create the scripts when you're outreaching to clients. So it does everything for you. And as I said, you get 250,000 credits with that, but I'm also giving you the white label version as well if you're in the first 30 buyers of the front end. So with that, you get the sales page, you get source code, marketing packs, and graphic packs. So if you're in the first 30 buyers of this, you will get 3 brand new white label apps with source code, with sales page, with everything else. You'll get personal rights to those apps as well, with 250,000 credits inside each app. So that's 750,000 credits in total. So that's huge. That by itself is an amazing bonus. Now on top of that, I'm also giving you social signals. Now what this does, it will help you create your social media content to reach out to find your clients. Now again, I'm giving you 250,000 credits with that. So in total, you've got 1 million credits. So huge offer, huge bonus. I'm also giving you the client generation funnel. So this is a full funnel done for you, ready to go to reach out for digital marketing clients. And I'm also giving you the digital gold rush, 10 ways to build wealth online, full PLR rights to that brand new ebook with everything you need with that lead page and everything else. I'm also giving you digital business secrets, how to build a $1 billion business, opt-in list building for beginners. Now you can see all this is related to the virtual commissions, and I'm also giving you commercial rights to these 2 apps. Now these are extras, I've just added these in. So commercial rights to Notify Pulse, which is a notify system, so once you get these clients in, you can follow up with notifications. And this is a really nice app, very easy to integrate, customizable notifications, everything you need in a push notification system. And I'm giving you commercial rights to FOMO Pulse as well. Now again, this would be a great way to build clients for the virtual commissions training. And this is kind of like a scarcity plugin, engagement plugin, works very well. 25 different notifications included for social proof, lots of different notification types as well. So as you can see, this bonus is huge, and it's all for the front end. And remember, this is a $37 product. So you're getting 3 apps with 250,000 credits each, so 750,000 credits. You're getting those 3 apps with white label rights as well. You're getting another app with 250,000 credits. You're getting extra bonuses. You're getting a done for you funnel. You're getting a new ebook, and you're getting those 2 apps with commercial rights as well. So well worth locking in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump across to the sales page, because you can see what the is involved in the sales page. Lots of social proof for this as well. So we'll go through that and we'll look about what's involved. Okay guys, so here we are on the sales page. Now what I want to do today is just have a quick look at the sales page so you see what it's all about. I can't show you inside the members area for the simple reason being this is a 5-day live coaching session, and obviously it's not gone live yet. So let's have a little look at the sales page, see what it's all about, and you can see how good this is. So 5-day live masterclass reveals the white label arbitrage system for generating profits without websites, ads, or technical skills. So arbitrage means, you're selling someone else's product. So no products to create, no websites to build, no clients to change, just follow our simple system to generate constant high-ticket profits. Okay? Now, with this, as I said, my bonuses help you get, an extra kind of leg up on your competitors. Okay? So discover the secret behind today's most profitable online model. So your limited spaces, real price $9.97, so you're saving $960, getting in for $37. There's lots of bonuses included as well. There's a success stories here. Let's scroll down now. So when you buy this, you also get 24-hour replay access. So you've missed a session, no problem. Get a 24-hour access to replays of each live session. You also get 2 extra days of bonus training. You get a private Facebook community, Cliff Note summaries, Ask Me Anything session, and an extra seat for your partner or spouse. So if you've got a partner who you work with, you can each have a seat on this. So, if you've got a partner or someone you work with, literally it's going to cost you $18.50 to get a seat on this. So it's crazy, crazy price. So it's a live 5-day training where you'll discover exactly how to leverage our arbitrage system for consistent profits. If there's an easy way to create reliable income streams that practically run themselves, I haven't found it. So let's stop overthinking and start profiting. So, big advantage of our arbitrage system: no products to create, no funnels to overthink, no customers to babysit, no stressful traffic strategies, no burnout, no BS. Simple blueprint for serious profits. Now, some social proof here. Okay, so a lot of information about the actual why you should purchase it. Why this arbitrage system is unlike anything you've seen before. Rinse, repeat, scale your profits. Okay, there's something I did want to look at down here. So again, it's the bonuses: 24-hour access replay, 2 bonus days of training, private Facebook community, cliff note summaries, ask me anything session, and an extra seat for your partner or spouse. Okay, that's just something I wanted to look at down here, so let's scroll down a little bit. 6 reasons why virtual commissions is the ultimate freedom business. A business in minutes, not hours. It's a one-person show. 0 business drama. Recession, no problem. Earn while you learn. And replicate results with ease. So, it boils down to this. High value opportunities. The strategic position, keep 70% of every transaction at $700 to $2,000 per deal. Wow, that's good. Step 1, spot premium opportunities. Step 2, apply our arbitrage system. Step 3, watch the profit flow. Works for everyone, this system. Student case study: $500 to $15,000 in just a few weeks using the exact same system. Let me break it down. Position 1, $500 profit from a single premium transaction. Position 2, $1,200 profit from our white label system. Position 3, $3,500 profit by leveraging premium opportunities. $10,000 profit from one high ticket deal. So that's $15,200 in just a few weeks. So here's the kicker: they didn't create or deliver anything themselves, they just positioned themselves correctly and watch the profits roll in. So you're kind of profiting from someone else's system. Now, one of my students went from 0 to 50,000 in just a few deals. Okay, some more social proof. So day 1, laying the foundation. This is where we set the stage for building a business that delivers freedom and consistent income. Day 2, mastering the ultimate white label arbitrage model. Get ready to dive into the ultimate white label arbitrage model, proven way to earn significant income without the typical headaches of running a business. Scaling with sales automation. Let's shift gears into automation, the secret sauce that lets you scale without sacrificing your time or energy. Day 4, bringing it all together. This day ties everything into a single powerful system to create an unstoppable momentum for your business. Then live question and answer and moving forward for day 5. Okay, so challenge starts on the 22nd of January, 11 a.m. Eastern, ends 26th of January. So that's 5 days, 4 days later. Now, I would pick this up. For $37, my bonuses are worth 10 times that, well, 20 times that anyway. Don't forget you're getting 3 white label apps. You're getting them 2 apps with commercial rights. You're getting 3 apps with 250,000 credits each. You're getting another app with 250,000 credits. You get a brand new PLR ebook, all for making money online, and other bonuses as well. But putting that to one side, for $37 for training with Chris Munch and Neil Napier, it is 100% worth just locking in, and just locking in that training, you know, going to it 5 days out of your life, and you may find that you're obviously earning money like the students who, you know, are taking action on this. So, you know, if you want my white label upgrades, you know, my white label 3 apps, you must purchase in the first 30 buyers of the front end. Once those have gone, the white label versions will be removed. So make sure that you lock those in. So thanks for watching, and and watch out for the next video.